Presenting the Mi 43 inches 4K Ultra HD Android Smart LED TV 4X in the color black. The TV comes in 4 size variants of 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate, this Mi TV produces smooth and vibrant pictures. The LED panel has 178 degrees viewing angle and video enhancing features like Vivid Picture Engine and 4K HDR10. The TV has a maximum operating distance of 10 feet. This Android version 9.0 TV features 1GB of RAM and 8GB of storage. Smart features like Google Assistant, PatchWall 25 plus content partners, Kids mode with parental lock, smart recommendations, universal search, language universe and user center give you optimum comfort. It also supports all major entertainment apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and Disney+Hotstar. The TV supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity and comes with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. The 20 watts speaker along with Dolby Audio Plus DTS-HD enhance your audio listening experience. In the box you will find one LED TV, 2 tabletop stand bases, 1 user manual and 1 remote control. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.